notification button and to get thumbs up. This is Caleb. I just make it a YouTube film at the fireworks fan, and look at all my fireworks I got.
You gonna tell them about them?
A poopy doggy, a pair of fruits, and a dragon, and an
Let me
elephant,
zoom in.
and a frog.
You can pick them up.
A frog,
All right.
a poopy doggy, an elephant, a golden fish, a dragon.
What about this one?
What's that one?
That's
American.
The Mirror Blast. All right. Anything else you want to show? What's this one, buddy?
Colors.
Colors.
We'll show one more. We'll show one more.
It's smoke bombs. Smoke bombs. Yay.
Whoa, that's a lot of them.
Yeah.
All right. What is this one? Looks like
Never-ending fountain.
Never-ending fountain. All right. Anything else you want to show?
No.
All right.
I got the bottle rocket and the chocolate.
All right. Happy 4th of July.
Happy photo